Hello, my name is Pavla and I would like to share you some my favorite studio tips. First one is how to store your clay. I mean scrap colors. I have plenty of, and you can see I have a drawer. And I stack my clay as Maria Kondo does, and look how to do that. I have my scrap in a box, and times to times I mix colors from it. It means I am trying to keep them like so similar color together, and when I have too much scrap I will mix it into new colors as you saw. In this case it's very often a denim blue somehow, and if you like a little bit better shade, make it, let's say, with cobalt blue or with turquoise and make it nicer. The point is to wrap it, to have a bandit, so the bandit part is going up. You can better see the color because somehow the glossy foil is not very helping. In this case, you will see what you have. Another tip is to use a makeup organizer for camper tools. It's very cheap and it's not too tall for others. And also I like to use this jewelry box, or I mean it's a jewelry organizer, but it's perfect for my little, most of our round cutters collection, and I use it for traveling a lot, but I keep it in a box because it's necessary. Or how to store your sheets. Cardboards and matte pockets are the best for me because it's easy to store and also good for traveling. So I hope it will help you, and see you soon.